everyone, I want to share with you how to get this hairstyle, so if you want to know how to do it, please keep on watching. Hi everyone, my name is Kelly. So today I'm going to show you how to put on hot rollers. So right now my hair is dry, but after I came out of the shower, I did spray a ton of this in because my hair is so tangly because it's so dry. So this is the LaShawn Silken Solution Leave-In Detangler Spray. Awesome product. So before you use it, give it a good shake. And then hold it a bit away from your hair like this, like about an arm length, and just spritz it all over. I divide my hair into half, down the center, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, then again, divide into 4, like this. Now I'm going to take my hot rollers, and this is already heated. I'm going to put it on the ends like this, okay? And then I'm going to hold it with my thumb, wrap the rest of the ends with my other hand, like this. And then as I pull the hair inside like that, I roll it down, like this. Okay? So see how it's 90 degrees off my scalp? That will avoid any indentation. So indentation is when you style your hair and you have that line, demarcation line. You don't want that. So when you uplift your root like this, it will give the hair more volume on the top. Same thing over here. Just randomly section the hair out. And then use the brush to comb the hair up. Hold it on the ends like that. Okay? Use this hand to wrap all of the ends of the hair inside. Okay? Now as I roll down like this, I spread the hair out to cover the ends, so it makes the end lie flatter in. And then I hold two nice and tight, and I hold down. So see? Like that. And then there's a clip. Clip it in. Okay? Just like that. These baby hairs, what you can do is you can clip it up so that it doesn't flop down later on. Because I find that I have these grown baby hairs, and if you don't clip them up, you're going to have a nice volume on the top, and you have these weird ones sticking down. So just to set that, I'm just using a bobby pin, holding this up like this, and then just, you know, clip it like that, so that it's lifted on the roots. Now at the bottom, so hold this on the ends, right about there. Wrap the ends of the hair around, okay, around, and then use this hair to roll over it, see? So it holds the ends of the hair tight down, and then you roll up, okay, with both hands. Roll up like that, nice and tight. Then you clip it in, okay? And then lastly, on this side, I always like to brush the hair before I roll it so that there's no tangled knots, okay? So in, roll, push over so that it covers the ends of the hair like this, and then try to keep the hair. So if you sometimes get it falling out, that's okay. Just redo it and then roll it. Okay. And now I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. So this is what the hot rollers look like. Okay. I've used this for the past 6-7 years already. So you can see it has 8 rollers. It has the jumbo one as well as the super jumbo one. So I'm gonna take out the hot rollers for you to see. Okay. So even just having it in for about 5 so minutes, you can see how healthier my hair looks, how shiny it looks because the hair has been set. See, before it was frizzy, it wasn't like nice and smooth. So this is great for people who have over bleached hair and you cannot do anything to it. This is definitely a great styling tool. See? And now, so remember when I pinned this up, just that few minutes helped the root to lift up so it's not flopping down in my face. Okay? Okay. So those of you who do this and you get really nice volume or big volume that you're not used to, don't worry, it's going to come down. So you saw my hair before, and now after I just put in my hot rollers, you can see how nice the hair look, how defined the layers are, how smooth, and it brings out my color too. So this looked like I went to a salon and got my hair blow dry for half an hour, and it brings out all the layers in my hair. I'm going to show you at the back. So as you can see, when you have your hair styled, all the layers, all the textures come out. And after, when I finish setting it with the hot rollers, I like to run my hand through it like this, okay? Just to smooth out. You can definitely use product, but I did use the Lashon styling spray already, so I don't have to use it again. I just like to run my hand through it and to smooth out any frizz, and then that's it. And you can see how nice and bouncy the hair looks. So that is all I do to my hair every time I wash it, is to put it in the hot rollers. So I'm happy with the way my hair is. You can definitely tease it a bit more if you wanted to have more volume, but this looks okay to me. And this usually lasts me until the next day or the day after. Those of you who are looking for other ways, alternative to style your hair, I highly recommend the hot rollers. Until next time, bye everyone.